Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to try on this beautiful bob fringe braided wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this is the wig, and I'm first of all going to start by spraying this sheen on it. You can use olive oil. I just love the smell of this sheen, but I always also use olive oil. And then this hair is the dark shade of purple. Haven't used a closure, as you can see. And then it has an adjustable strap at the back and the band as well, just to make it more secure. So you can wear it with combs or without combs. So I'll insert the straps at the back, or if you find maybe it's loose, you can just use the straps at the back to make it more secure. So guys, just comment down below if you love this color, if you love this style, and if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send the wigs to you. So guys, just check the first comment on the comment section. It's pinned on the comment section. Those are my details. If you want to know more or if you want to order, just feel free to contact me on email or order from the website or WhatsApp me.
Constantly, no, I won't make a sound. I love the pain, it sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the burden below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself out on the ground. I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the
That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.